friends, my name is Jatin. Today I am going to teach you a drawing with the word aim, A-I-M. In the life, some aim should be there. So aim should be very high. So I am going to draw a rocket which is very high from the land, and it is also a good source of aim, I feel. So I'm going to make it with the help of word aim. I'm going to make it rocket. Now I'm going to take it my marker here, one slipping line, one standing line, one standing line, again one standing line, again one standing line. This will be a chamber of a rocket. Here one curve line, here one slanting line, here one slanting line, here one standing line, again here one slanting line, one slanting line, and one standing line. Here a booster, one slanting line, one slanting line, and one curve line. Here a few curve lines where air is boosting upside. So here a rocket is aiming up to the sky. Now I'm going to fill color inside. I'm going to take it red color, and I'm using a marker pen. Again red, now I am using yellow color. First cover the border. Now I am taking orange color. Now I am taking black color. Even the wings of the rocket. Even a booster. Now taking a red color for making some fire to downside. Now going to take it orange color. Merging with red color. Now few yellow color. So here my fire is ready. Now few clouds, and at the side So I'm going to take it black color. So this rocket is boosting upside towards sky. Here rocket is ready with the word aim. Thank you friends.